Now we are going to hear from Hirata-san some questions and comments. And after that, I will open the floor for questions.
Thank you for the presentation. So, Zaima Sensei, so my name is Reo HIRATA. I'm second year student in GSAIS. So let me introduce myself in first, then after that, I will make a comment and a question. So my profile is here. So I graduated the Kyoto University in Tokyo and the Faculty of Law. Then now I'm in the GSAIS. Then my current research topic is environmental management system of the Japanese company subsidiaries in Thailand. So the parent company is a Japanese company, but the Japanese company have a lot of overseas subsidiaries. Then so I'm focusing on the overseas subsidiaries in Thailand. Then so why do these company get the certificate of ISO? So get the ISO. So what is the motivation to get this certification? Then so ISO means so that as the Zaima Sensei says that ISO 14001 is one of the international standard of the environmental management system. Then the contents of that is the PDCA cycle. So plan, do, check, and action, and rechecking and replanning. And so that cycle is the PDCA cycles. So my research topic is why the company to get ISO, and what is the factor of the parent company in Japan. So basically the multinational corporation get ISO. The reason why the company get ISO is the local factors such as the local environmental regulations and local pressure, local residential pressure, and the local market pressure, and so on. But from the perspective of the corporate governance, and so what the factor of the parent company in Japan. So that is my research topics. Then my research will be contribute to achieve SDG goal number 9 and 12, 14, and 15, I think. So now goal number 9 is industry and innovation and infrastructure. So which is including clean technology and so on. Then goal number 12 is responsible consumption and production. So which is including in the recycle and environmental management and so on. So 14 is life below water, and 15 is life on land. So anyway, sorry. So my comment is that so we can grasp of the relationship between CSR and the CSV and the SDGs, and we can easy to understand the overall of the voluntary approach and the environmental management field. And the categorized table, so maybe page number 33, and after page number 33, so there is 6 types, 6 of the environmental management, management tool. So we are sometimes confused to be distinguished between the 6 type of tool. So for example, environmental impact assessment and the life cycle assessment. So what is the differences? But we can easily to understand these concepts. The last comment is the role of the enterprises is so big for the society. So the corporate activity is important. We think we think. Then yeah. So there's I prepared some questions, but I will pick up the 2 questions and more specifically. The first question is the first one. So CSR and CSV seems to be a global trend related to the SDGs and so on. But I think so. This trend is only the developed country enterprises, I think. So such as, for example, Nestle and the beverage enterprises. So that is a Switzerland company, and Johnson & Johnson is a pharmacy company, but this one is in the US. So I think the CSR and the CSV is the CSR and CSV is a global trend or only the developed country trend? So which is, so how is the developing country trend? How is it? The second question is, so as for the SMEs, so because what is the challenges of the implementation on the environmental management in SMEs? Because so the reason why I have a question is that environmental management have a lot of cost, consume a lot of time and a lot of cost, I think. But SME companies, so the size is small. So what is the challenges of the implementation in the SMEs? So there's 2 questions. So thank you very much.